Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add raw photo in Lightroom. If you're new to Lightroom and you don't know how to add raw photos to it, I'm going to show you an easy hack to do it. So without any further ado, let's get into it. So at first, we need to download the raw photo. So to do that, simply open the Google Chrome, search for free download raw photos. Now you can download the raw photos from any of the website. I'll choose this one. I'll choose this photo and simply download this photo, and our photo has been downloaded. Now to see if it's added to our Lightroom, simply click on Lightroom app and search for the photo we have just downloaded. Now as you can see, this is our raw photo that we have downloaded just now, and you can also see raw written on the photo. And just like that, we have added raw photo in Lightroom. Now to further edit it, you can simply open the photo and edit this raw photo from this editing settings. And just like that, we can add raw photos in Lightroom. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials like this.